time and gathering here for historic milestone moment day of Zeal Global Services Limited. Today we mark a beautiful journey of Zeal Global Services Limited here. Before starting the event, I would request everyone to stand for national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Well, thank you so much everyone. Please settle down. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as they say, milestones are an important way of looking at the past with gratitude, the present with appreciation, and future with lot of hope. Today we have gathered here for the listing of the Zeal Global Services Limited. Well, Zeal Global Services Limited goes corporated in 2014 and now in the business of air cargo services and passenger airlines services, headed by our director, Mr. Nipun Anand, and managing director, Mr. Vishal Sharma. So when we talk about air cargo services, well, cargo airlines offers efficient logistic solutions, allowing businesses to ship goods quickly and reliably, contributing significantly to the global economy. And when we talk about passenger airline services, passenger airlines prioritize safety, comfort, and efficiency, striving to provide excellent customer experiences while ensuring smooth and secure air travel for thousands of passengers every year. Today, on this very momentous occasion of the listing, we would like to welcome various dignitaries who have joined us. And now, may I invite Mr. Vishal Sharma to honor Mr. Gaurav Kapoor from NSC with a bouquet. Thank you so much, sir. Now, may I invite Mr. Swapnil Sagar to honor Mr. Vishal Sharma, the MD of Zeal Global, with a bouquet. Thank you, sir. Now, may I invite Mr. Sanchit to honor Mr. Nipun Anand, the Director of Zeal Global. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now commence this auspicious occasion by lighting ceremonial lamp. We would like to invite all the dignitaries to please come forward for the lamp lighting with Ganesh Vandana.
In fact, I would say out here, all the ladies come please forward and do this ceremony, please. Ladies should be here. So I would request all the ladies out here, if you could please come forward and do this facilitation for us. Thank you so much.
Very nice. Sir, you also join.
Of course, sir will join. Yeah, of course, please.
Come, before. Yes.
Come, sir.
Ganesh Vandana, please.
जय गणेश देवा
जय गणेश देवा
माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
जय गणेश देवा
जय गणेश देवा
माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी
एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी
माथे पर तिलक सोहे मूस की सवारी
माथे पर तिलक सोहे मूस की सवारी
Thank you so much, dignitaries, for gracing the occasion. And now, moving ahead, I would like to invite here Shri Vishal Sharma, the Managing Director of Zeal Global Services Limited, to share with us his journey. Can we have a huge round of applause?
नमस्कार, सभी का हृदय से स्वागत है. Before I start, there's always a say, what we call it out here, affirmation in our company. जिंदगी में अगर ज़ील नहीं है, तो हर मंजिल बहुत मुश्किल और दूर लगती है. और जब जिंदगी में ज़ील होती है, तो वही मंजिल बहुत पास और आसान लगती है. And out here, all these zealous out here, the entire Zeal team, first of all, we welcome you all. And I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our distinguished dignitaries from NSE. Sir, your support has been invaluable to us. Thank you for everything. Our merchant bankers, your profound wisdom has been instrumental to our journey. Thank you so much. And of course, our statutory auditors, I must confess it, you've been a very tough gurus. I must confess it, and I confess it very openly out here. But the fact of the life is that your meticulous guidance and adherence to compliances has made this possible. We won't have been here without your guidance. Thank you so much. And of course, incredible core team of Zeal. Incredible core team, I would say. What they have done, their sagacious approach, relentless efforts have been here, has brought us here. Thank you so much again, the entire Zeal team. Please, you can applaud for yourself in case. And two things in life is always, you cannot succeed in your life until you have blessing of two people. And I would not rather correct myself, I would not say people, I'd say two blessings are important for everyone's in their life. Is one, blessing of Prabhu, Ishwar, we just took his blessings, and of course your family. And as Zeal, we are fortunate that we've been getting incessant blessings, not only from Prabhu, from our family. They've been there, they've been supporting us throughout this ups and downs and in all our success journey. Thank you so much. I wish today, Nipun and I only can feel that, and our Zeal team can feel that. Our sir, who has set a right roadmap for us. Unfortunately, he's not been here with us anymore. We lost him in October last year. But he was the one who has been mentor to us, to Nipun and I especially, as and when we felt low in our life. Nipun's father, wish he would have been here with us, but nobody can question God's decision. Whatever he does for best. And I think even if he has taken him away from us, he would be guiding, he would be blessing from somewhere, and he would be definitely looking at us and blessing him that today we are here just because of his guidance only and because of what roadmap he has set for us. Thank you, sir. It's been 9 years, a very mixed thing when we started. When we started, Nipun and I together, with the blessing of our sir, who has not been here, Nipun's father, we all sat together, we thought what to do. Of course, I had experience of the industry. I've been there with more than 25 years now. Nipun was only 22, with full of energy, enthusiasm, what Zeal is. So what his father told us, बच्चों, जिंदगी में ना कुछ भी कर लेना, पर core values पर हमेशा अटक रहना. And this is what he told us. And this is what has been, we've been trying, our endeavor, we never compromised on our core values. And those core values are very simple core values. उन्होंने कहा जिंदगी को ना जितना आसान बनाओगे, जितना simple रखोगे, उतना बढ़िया है. And those core values are very simple. Say you are in the service industry, so for you, customer is always important. And of course, and life is always learning curve. You got to learn every day. So creativity has to be there. And of course, and both these things you'll not be able to succeed until you have commitment value. So he taught us, and we never compromised on those three core values, and we love C. And that's why, we always, our customer service group is also said, we care. So that, the lesson, what sir has taught us, we've been diligently following that, and these three core values, because for customer, because we ultimately what we do, we serve our principal airlines, we serve our partner airlines, and to whom? To our customers, forwarding agencies, IT agencies, we serve them. So we bridge the gap between them, and for us, serving them has always been our priority. And we have always kept them ahead because we know from bottom of our heart, if they succeed, nobody can stop us to succeed. And that's the formula, I think, the guidelines given by sir, we've been following diligently. And of course, creativity, nobody can say it. Innovation is part of our life. If we have never been complacent, and that's why there are many things what we have done in the 9 years. There are people, those who've been there in the industry, there are companies, those who've been there in the industry for more than 30 years, they never thought of. And we became a trailblazer for them, and they've been following it up. They've been following us, and the young team, you would be surprised when if you visit to our office, you will see that the young people, what they have done in 3 years time, 4 years, 5 years time, in the line, people have not, those who have spent in 10 years, 15 years, 20 years in the industry, they are still learning from those guys. Reason being, because our zealous approach of being always innovative, creative, and that's why we never, compromise on that creativity. And of course, commitment is something, what I would always say, is like, I will just quickly finish because we are very close to this. Commitment is like what we always expect from others. It's like love or respect. We expect from others, but we never believe in that, or we don't do that. However, out here as company, we never compromise on that as well. Commitment, yes, there were times when we thought, okay, this guy, somebody has done a wrong thing, but we were still committed to him. So, commitment, so 3 core values for which now there are many people from the industry, there are many stakeholders out here with us. All we can assure you that as Zeal, we will always be there to serve you well. Of course, creativity, you will see that you can be assured that a company you are associating with is gonna be full of creativity, and of course, a commitment which we never gonna compromise, that assures you that you have chosen the right family for yourself. Thank you so much once again. मैं बहुत दिल से आपका स्वागत करता हूं, और जो आज हमारी खुशी का मौका है, इसमें आप सभी आए, हमारा साथ दिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful speech. And now, I would like to invite Shri Nipun, the Director of Zeal Global Services Limited, to share with us his journey. Can we have a huge round of applause?
Hi everyone, very good morning, and especially thanking our colleagues, our friends, our associates, and especially Mr. Gaurav Kapoor for being here, the NSE management. Thank you so much for showing the support to us, especially a startup which was founded 9 years back from Vishal and me, and Vishal has been a driving force to all of us. Also, this is a very special moment for us, and a very, very special milestone that we've achieved from Zeal. My father passed away last year in October, and he was one of the founders with Vishal and me. I think he will be really proud to see us today and see this milestone, what we've achieved. The only thing I can say as a founder and director of Zeal is that there is no looking back from now in life for us. I think this is the biggest excitement for us, and to take Zeal on greater heights is what we look forward to, and make this company a very valuable company in our business. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. And now, may I request here to call our esteemed guest, Mr. Gaurav Kapoor, VP North India Head, NSC, to come on the dais and grace the occasion with your words. Can we have the huge round of applause? So.
A very good morning to all of you. And first and foremost, congratulations to Zeal Global Services, Shri Vishal Sharma and Nipun Anand and his team. You know, we can see the zeal which is evident, and that is what the zeal is required for all the small and medium enterprises, because it's a very tough journey, and getting listed on the NSE Emerge is one of the milestones uh, which is very important, and I am very sure this is a very important milestone which will help you to usher new growth and growth trajectory in your line of business. Just to give you idea, NSE being the largest exchange globally in many terms and in India, we started our journey of NSE Emerge way back in 2012, which is basically to help the small and medium enterprises to raise equity capital. And we all understand the importance of having a balanced debt to equity ratio in any balance sheet of any of the firm. And you will be happy that, you know, the way the framework was being evolved and the way it was being designed, it had a lot of, the eligibility criterias which were there for the companies were very much relaxed. And the other facilitation which was being done in terms of the dilution, which generally promoters have apprehension that, you know, if we dilute, are we going to lose control of the company? So there is a minimum dilution there. And then there is a 100% underwriting, which is also there, which is provided as part of the felicitation. The other thing is the NSE Emerge also ensures that investors at large, because these SME companies are companies which are jewels in their own areas, in their own jurisdiction or geography, to ensure that, you know, the minimum IPO size or the minimum application size also in this case is 1 lakh rupees. Ensure that, you know, all informed investors actually apply to these IPOs. So we've tasted a huge amount of success in last 11 years. So just to mention to you, now Zeal will be the 342nd company to get listed on the NSE Emerge platform. These companies have raised close to 6,251 crores, on an average close to 18 CR. And some of these companies, just to mention, have raised 4 CR, and some may have raised close to 100, like you have raised close to 36 crores. So we are also seeing that, you know, I think we are just close to the 10 o'clock, and then I'll maybe come back. Please.
Thank you, sir. And now the moment has finally come for which we all have gathered here. The historic moment when Zeal Global Services Limited will be listed on the NSE portal and will be live. Indeed, it's a pleasure. May I request all the dignitaries and family members to come on the dais for the gong ceremony. And now the moment gathered here, flashing here, so everyone just join me with the countdown. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. And now everyone, Mr. Gaurav Kapoor will give the memento and listing certificate to the company. Mr. Vishal and Mr. Srivastava to join, please.
small and medium enterprises. In Delhi itself, we have around 35,000 companies. Pan-India, you can understand the importance and relevance of SMEs, both in our Indian economy, in terms of GDP, export, as well as employment. So I would also want to thank the lead manager, expert, global consultant.
Thanks, and it has been a wonderful day that we got a good listing price at the on the NSE. Thanks for the NSE team. Thank
Thank you so much, sir. And now to move forward, we would like to appreciate the work done by everyone by exchanging the moments. And I would like to request now to Mr. Vishal Sharma and Mr. Nipun Anand to come forward to felicitate on the behalf of Zeal Global Services Limited. Now I would like to invite here Mr. Gaurav Kapoor, the VP North India Head, NSE. So please come, and please come to accept the momentum. Now I would request Mr. Gaurav Kapoor to give the memento to Managing Director of Zeal Global, Mr. Vishal Sharma.
But that has already been.
Memento.
Oh, that's okay. Must was two. Thank you, sir.
the memento to the Director of Zeal Global, Mr. Nipun Anand.
We knew that Gaurav sir didn't go for his job today, so we made sure that we could let
Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. And now, this is the time to felicitate all the people who supported the whole journey of IPO. And for that, I would like to invite here to give the mementos Mr. Nipun and Mr. Vishal. So please come forward. So the first name is Urmil Anand. She is not here. Next name I would like to invite here Mr. Ravi Sharma. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Rajesh Hada. Reena Agrawal. Can we have you here? Come on, everyone. Let's make huge round of applause. Kaushal Gupta. Can we have you here? Mr. Kaushal. Can we have your Monal Gupta? She's not here. Okay, next name is Bhagi Bhardwaj and Company.
most toughest man in our life.
He gave us the idea to
And then of course, and then he kept on taking it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. The next name is Skyline Financial Services Private Limited. Can we make applause, everyone? The next name I would like to call Shannon Advisors Private Limited.
Thank you, team. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. And now everyone, thank you, sir. Now everyone, I would like to invite Shri Kaushal Gupta, CFO of Zeal Global. Shri Kaushal Gupta, CFO of Zeal Global Services Limited, on the stage to please give vote of thanks. So before that, I would like to invite here Expert Global Consultants Private Limited. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And now, over to Shri Kaushal Gupta. So please come here for the vote of thanks.
Good morning, all of you. We have a lot of people to thank for Vande Mataram. Thank you to our beloved country, India, in which we live with peace and opportunity it provides. Thank you to our customers. Before I commit my thank you note to living person, I would like to thank you, our founder director, late Panna Lal Anand, who had blessed us from heaven to achieve this milestone of listing. We believe without his blessing, it is not possible to achieve. Thank you to our promoter, Mr. Nipun Anand, whole-time director, and Mr. Vishal Sharma, managing director. Thank you to our other director, Mrs. Urmila Anand, and our independent director, Mr. Rajesh Hadda, Mr. Ravi Sharma, Mrs. Reena Agarwal, for their valuable contribution and guidance every day. Thank you to our entire staff member of Zeal. Thank you to our supply partner, airline partner, vendor, media, and other agencies. Thank you to entire team that worked continuously on IPO, Shannon Advisor, Expert Global, and Skyline. Thank you to the legal advisor, to consultant, to our auditors, and to every intermediary that worked on IPO. Thank you to the print, TV, online media, and our special guest. And special thank you to 5,000 plus applicants who has applied for Zeal IPO and 1,000 plus investors who have trusted us with say their things. We won't let you down. Thank you all of you, and thanks to NSC for hosting us. Thank you all of you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words.